Hey, it's Kevin from Fat Dave's Hot Rods. Just figured I'd do a quick video on how to put your rear view mirror button back on the windshield. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a scraper and we're going to scrape off this old glue right here. Get that off of the windshield. The next thing is we'll take some wax and grease remover, which what I'm using today is the strong wax and grease remover made by Montana. Just put a little bit here on a paper towel, wipe it down, get any of that extra glue off of there, clean it up. Just like that. Now before I did this, or started doing this, I went to the outside of the windshield and took a Sharpie and traced around where the button used to be. It makes it a little easier for placement. I also like to take some of the wax and grease remover, clean up my button a little bit, get that cleaned off. Double check, make sure that the rear view mirror is how we want it. And then we're going to put the button on the right way. Alright, the next step is we've got this glue kit for rear view mirrors. And we're going to take this, and this is a cleaner slash activator. I'm going to wipe right where the button is going to go. And we take this glue, and we're just going to put one drop on the button. You don't want to put too much glue on there, be over excessive with it, because a drop goes a long ways. And now we've got that on here. Let me wipe off some of this around it. Alright, now we take our button and we place right on the windshield and just hold it there. You want to hold it there for about 30 seconds for it to dry. Keep some pressure on it. And after this dries, you give it about 30 minutes and you can hang your rear view mirror back on it. So it's pretty simple to do, and that's how you do it.
Thanks for watching. Check us out on Facebook, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time.